Hey everybody, welcome to Homer's Honeybee. We're going to do a mite test for you today, kind of do a little tutorial on how we do it. We had a lot of people asking how to do it, and so here we are. So this is kind of the time of year where we want to start doing tests, usually starting in July. We usually do once, it'd be wise to do once a month, just to kind of see where your mite counts are. So you know if you need to treat sooner than later. We just got done with the hive and we got 26 mites, and here we are end of July. So that's really high. So make sure you're doing your tests. And be proactive in your treating. So I got here just a couple things. We have a little tub that we can put our bees in. Then we got the cup that we made with our in our earlier video, making our mite wash test cup, and you get a half cup measuring cup for the bees that collects 300. And so now what we're going to do, we're going to go in and we're going to find a frame that you have brood, both possibly, if you can find a frame that has open brood, so larva, that would be best. You're going to get most of the nurse bees there, because that's what we want, is the nurse bees. They're going to be carrying potentially more of the mites. So we want to pull out a frame. We got a frame here. This one's got cap brood, and we got some eggs and larvae. You just want to check, make sure we don't got a queen. We don't want to get rid of our queen, especially because she's doing so well. So you're just going to double check, triple check, have somebody else check if you need to. I think we're okay here. So we're going to take this and we're not going to do that. You want to get it in the bucket. Now you're going to shake them down into the bucket. Hopefully we have enough now. You're going to let all the foragers will fly off, and then I'll just leave you with the nurse bees. We might have enough there if I don't have to shake some more off. So we're going to let them, and so now all these are going to be, you could also look for the queen on this, see if she's walking around. Anyways, you're going to hit them down, kind of pull them to the corner. Take your half inch or your half cup, dump them in the cup, a little swirl, and then just let them sit there for a minute, and the mites will dislodge themselves off of the bees. And then just dump the remaining bees back into the hive. You can put your hive back together if you'd like, as we're waiting here for a minute. And what we want to see with our mites is we don't want to be over 2%. Is kind of where the threshold is. So anything over 3 is usually when we need to start thinking about treating. And so the way you get that number is we got 300 bees here. So if you just take the number of mites that you count on your test and divide it by 3, that will give you the percentage that you have. So anyway, so after they sat there a little bit, just give them a little swirl. See if we get any more mites falling down, and they'll just fall down through that screen. And then if you can see, you should start seeing them. You can see a couple down in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 mites. So what is that?
A little over 2 per 100. 2%.
Okay, so that's sustainable. That's okay. I'm not panicked about that. but it'd be probably wise to get something on them, maybe an extended treatment. We're going to put on oxalic acid, sponge cloth, and it's oxalic acid mixed with vegetable glycerin, and that will kind of be an extended treatment for them until we do our fall treatment. That way it'll help manage keep their levels to keep their levels lower, so they don't get to the point where too high where we don't want them to be and have an effect on the health of the hive. Well, that's the test that we do. It's pretty simple, pretty quick, and the results are going to be a lot accurate how you fill that than using a powder sugar shake. But don't procrastinate. Get your mite tests done, and if you got to treat. If not, then you're probably okay till fall. But I would recommend treating or testing once a month, just to be sure. If you have any questions, Homer's Honey is always available for any kind of assistance or help. But have a good day. Happy beekeeping.